Guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Sunday, happy 26th. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start of today. Before we get to Amahle and Tirelo, guys, I just want to say wow for you guys, a huge congratulations. Yesterday, for you guys, she was honored to use her voice to share her story and connect with such incredible women, guys. She was one of the speaker event, a Women's Day. As you can see, the theme, it was the blue, guys. I know some of you in the comment section gonna come, why do you talk about Tirelo and for your guys? Guys, we do have a lot of baby mamas out there. Some of those baby mamas, they are using wood, they cannot move on. We're using Vuyo guys as to inspire other women. It is possible to live and live the best life without your baby daddy, guys. It's not that personal, it's not that deep. You guys take things very personal, guys. I don't understand that. You need to learn. I don't understand if you guys are watching this reality show just to drag Tirelo or Amahle and Vuyo, guys. At the end of the day, Tirelo, Amahle, Vuyo, guys, they are all connected because they are sharing the same baby daddy, guys. Even on Zingani's Temple season 4, Vuyo, guys, she was also trending, knowing very well she's not part of the show, guys. Whether you like it or not, Vuyo, guys, people are still gonna talk about Vuyo, guys. I mean, she is a content creator. She has no problem talking about, people talking about her. So anyway, guys, let's get to Tirelo and Amahle, guys. On the coming episode is Temple season 4 episode 2, guys. We can see Umpumelela is trying to make peace between Tirelo and Amahle. Tirelo, she's saying that she doesn't want to have a relationship no Amahle. Amahle, she's saying ukuthi Tirelo uyakuthanda ukukhuluma, guys. Umpumelela is forcing them to fix whatever. People are saying the reason why Tirelo, she doesn't want to have a relationship with Amahle is because Amahle, she doesn't want to be controlled about Tirelo, guys. She understands ukuthi yena uyindlonkule. She's not a follower, guys. She's here to lead ukhulusa umuzi wakamseleko, guys. And Tirelo, she's not used to that. She used to those girls that they will listen to her, guys. They were friends with her, guys. And Njengo, fortunately, but naye unfortunately seems like njengoba songenile kwamseleko akasanandaba noTirelo, guys. She's here naye. So people are saying ukuthi kule season it seems like everybody is against Tirelo, guys. She thought removing Vuyo, guys, things will be better. I guess these women are not here to play, guys. They are teaching Tirelo a lesson about it. There's nothing that you can do, guys. No one is above the program. We are all here. Sifuni ndoda yakho, asifuni wena, guys. So we cannot wait to see the coming episode. Zingani's Temple season 4 episode 2, guys. So it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. A happy Sunday. Please go to church, guys, and pray.